Established in 1997, Zhengzhou Dison Instrument and Meter Company Limited is the professional manufacturer and global provider of the neonatal care medical devices. With the mission of diligently create the cradle of life, Dison is dedicated to the development and innovation in the fields of neonatal intensive care medical devices, such as baby incubator, transport infant incubator, infant radiant warmer, infant phototherapy unit, infant emergency resuscitator, and other neonatal products. All the products are approved with the CE ISO 13485 Certificate for Free Sale, EU FSC, and others certificates. Dison attends the global medical fairs every year, including CMEF, Medical Dusseldorf, Arab Health, Medic West Africa, and Florida International Medical Expo. Over more than 25 years, with advanced technology, constant innovation, strict quality control, system, and reliable after-sales services, Dison has already won the greatest trust of customers from more than 140 countries and over 30,000 medical institutions in the world. Meanwhile, Dison has been selected as one of the stable and regular suppliers of the baby incubator, infant radiant warmer, infant phototherapy unit for UN organizations, like United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, United Nations Population Fund, and United Nations Office for Project Services. In the future, Dison will keep up the forward and commit to provide the newborn with better care and treatment solution.